Hi, it's me again, loving to cook a lot. So there's my beautiful hash brown crust. I just mixed the hash browns with a little bit of melted butter, about a pound of hash browns. I squeezed the moisture out and added about 4 tablespoons of melted butter, put them into my pan. And now I'm going to beat up some eggs. I'm going to saute me some onions and my bacon fat from my bacon that I crumbled and sauteed. Swiss and Gruyere cheese. I got some sour cream. There's the Swiss, there's the Gruyere, there's the onion. Might add some tomatoes, might add some spinach. Don't have any heavy cream. Probably going to use a little bit of evaporated milk. So I have to admit at this point I'm making this up. There's my lovely new feet and my awesome mini Aussie. And there's my crust. And what I did was I took some of those onions that I sauteed in bacon fat and I just sprinkled them on the pan. And in here I just have 3 eggs and about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. I threw in a couple of chopped cherry tomatoes, a couple of chopped sauteed pieces of bacon, salt, pepper, a handful of spinach, a little bit of evaporated milk because I don't have any heavy cream. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in here and spread it all around, make it really nice and pretty. Put that little bit of cheese on top, pop it in the oven. And there we go. That's my final plated up, beautiful, beautiful quiche with that potato hash brown crust. I put some goat's cheese on top, plated it up with a little bit of spinach and toasted walnuts, some cherry tomatoes. Happy cooking, everybody.